Hi, this is '09 Honda Odyssey. I'm going to replace today swivel link passenger side. First of all, we need to take the tire off passenger side. I'm going to do the passenger side today. So this tire is 19 millimeter socket. So 19 millimeter. I'm going to take this off. Our swivel link right here. See, this is kind of rusty. 9 out of 10 time, we need to heat it up. Sometimes you get lucky, you can open this. You see this one, you have to hold it with this one T40. Just push inside. If you don't want to heat it up, just lubricant in here, like before, like a flower. So hold this with the one hand. Try, if you're lucky, you can open, just hammer it like this. See, it's not gonna happen. So we need to heat it up really. I don't want to damage this right here. Let me heat it up. See, after I heat it up, I was able to open this very easy. See, so be careful when you heat it up, don't touch this. This is super hot. There you go, one out. So I'm gonna do the same thing in the bottom too. So right there, there's a 17 millimeter. 17 will go right there like this, or from here 17 is go like that. T40, see, this T40 is go like this. See, there's not enough room to hold this. It's very limited space. So with the big breaker bar like this, just make little room like there. You can just see, you pull like this till go up, and you have a room like here. You see, you have enough room now to put the wrench in here. So I'm gonna put like this. I'm gonna heat it up this. So unfortunately I cannot open this up because this thing is really not opening. Is very tight, or is, you see, this whole ball joint is moving right here. So this one is not opening. I think this T40 is, the group is smashed. So what I'm gonna do now, you see the little gap right there, I'm gonna cut it in here, just little by little. You need to cut it if you have a situation like this. You don't have no other choice besides cut it. Best way to cut this, you put this from the top like this, just hold it like this. It will be easy. Cut it. See, this one I had to cut it and so I cut it already. So be careful when you cut. There's an axle right there. So this is the axle that's next to right here. So don't cut the axle. Be careful. If you have an extra jack, just, you see the swiveling right there, I just put the extra jack in here. See this? So raise this up so I can tie it up easily or loosen up easily.
Is it up too much? There's a 2 ball for the swivel link bushing. Just use 2 ball, then you can raise it up.
This is the swivel link, and there's some grease fitting. You have to put it in. So you have to put it in like this. If you don't have a grease gun, don't buy one like this. So put the grease on there. Just do like this on the right, so it's loosening. So it's pretty tight now. When you do the opposite, it's tight. It's very tight. See, I'm pumping right there. See, it's full now. Put it back is pretty easy. Just there's a 19 millimeter. They give you 19 millimeter. Just put in here. And just tie it up. So this is aftermarket swivel link. You have to hold inside 18 millimeter and tie the 19 millimeter. This is different fitting from the OEM. So that's all, guys. Thank you for. If you like the video, please like and subscribe.